Hi, my name is Mark Ledford, and the date today is May 20th, 2021. Today's a Thursday, and it is 6:23 p.m., and I will be presenting my project over InDesign. First, we have is the basic facts. InDesign provides the tools necessary for design pages and creates visual layouts that can be used for both print and digital. InDesign is best used for multiple pages and for documents using a lot of text and images. So basically kind of like brochures and magazines. Sometimes even cards, like business cards or playing cards. InDesign is used for professional needs, such as brochures for a business, like let's say a dealership for a car. They want to make a brochure for their newest model that just came out. They would use InDesign to help them create it. InDesign is one of the big three for our graphic designers need to know. The big three consist of Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Photoshop and Illustrator are the two big ones, while InDesign mixes both of them at the same time. And also, InDesign is 100% customizable to your unique needs. Next, we have basically just the reasons to know InDesign. InDesign is used in business and casual work. You can use InDesign for birthday cards or Christmas letters. While at the same time, you can use InDesign for brochures for work. Use them as thank you letters for your customers. You can use them as coupons. You can do anything with InDesign. It's really a much big spectrum of what you can do. In the future, businesses would want you to have knowledge of the big three programs of graphic designing. Like I mentioned before, big three are Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. And a lot of companies, whenever you finally go into that career path, they want you to know the big three main things you need to know. Without one of the three, it would be kind of hard to get a job or a career. If you know all three, you can possibly get a job like that. InDesign can also help create important documents in the future. So when you create your will, or you create statements or testimonies in court, any document mainly used professionally in the future can help you with this. Now next, we have careers that use InDesign, but these careers can be extended to basically any known career, because you don't know what your boss can give you. Your boss can tell you to create a brochure for your company, create this cover for the magazine, anything really. You have the basic graphic designer, which uses all kinds of programs, mainly the big three, which is Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. You have a web page developer. I know they use HTML based on some programs, but they could also use Adobe. They can use any kind of program basically to create web pages. You have a game designer. I know the designing they mainly use, I forgot what it's called. I believe it's Dimensions. Yes, they use the Adobe Dimensions lots of the time in order to create their characters' features and build upon that. But they also use Illustrator. But whenever it comes to the text in the game or just basic audio, then I believe they should be able to use InDesign. An architect, they make a lot into InDesign because they need InDesign in order to create the blueprints or the brochure or the layout of the plan that they're going to make. And in InDesign, they can put their plans for what could be in the future of building. And then you have a cosmetic developer, and when they create makeup and all that good stuff, they will put into a layout form saying what's in the makeup, what kind of makeup it is, before their makeup is tested by the Drug and Food Administration and tested and approved. Marketing is a big thing with InDesign because you have to make something for the people. You have to make something that they like. You have to do a magazine cover, brochure, cards, small little pamphlets, all kinds of things. Next, you have the basic designer, which is something that is a career that can expand into many different locations. You can use it to design clothes, design pictures, even make another InDesign, maybe an InDesign part 2. But a designer would use all kinds of programs in order to create what they're imagining. Next, you have accounting, and I know accounting mainly uses like Excel and all those other kind of number programs, but I feel that they can use InDesign for just showing what their papers are, making pamphlets, running numbers, all kinds of stuff. Publishers/writers will use InDesign. I know publishers will use the InDesign in order to publish books, put their mark on the book, and writers will use it to create their not logo, but their label. And thank you. And my name is Mark Ledford. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.